A coffee machine that promises cafe consistency at home often sounds simple on paper, but the real question is how it performs in daily life, cup after cup, without demanding attention from you. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we are looking at the DeLonghi Nespresso Vertuo Plus coffee and espresso maker by DeLonghi. This is a single-serve capsule system designed for users who want reliable coffee and espresso with minimal effort, consistent taste, and quick preparation. It is especially relevant for busy professionals, small households, or anyone moving away from traditional brewing methods. The purchase link is in the description. This machine is built around convenience and repeatability. It removes most variables from the brewing process and replaces them with a controlled, capsule-based system designed to deliver consistent results across different cup sizes and styles. Reason 1. Reliable one-touch brewing experience. The core appeal of this machine is its simplicity. With a single button, it prepares either coffee or espresso with minimal setup. The system reads each capsule and adjusts brewing parameters automatically, which helps maintain consistency across different blends without manual adjustments. Reason 2. Versatility across cup sizes and styles. The Vertuo system allows you to brew multiple sizes, including 5 ounces and 8-ounce coffee, along with single and double espresso. This flexibility makes it suitable for different routines, whether it's a quick espresso in the morning or a larger cup during work hours. Reason 3. Fast heat-up and efficient daily use. With a heat-up time of around 25 seconds, it is designed for real-world mornings where speed matters. Combined with automatic shut-off, it also supports energy efficiency without requiring any extra input from a user after brewing. Reason 4. Consistent taste with minimal effort. Each capsule is engineered to deliver a specific extraction profile, ensuring consistency in flavor and aroma. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this machine is often appreciated for removing guesswork from coffee preparation while still maintaining cafe-style results. Reason 5. Clean design and sustainable capsule system. The machine itself has a compact, modern design that fits easily into most kitchens. Beyond aesthetics, Nespresso's aluminum capsules are recyclable through their dedicated program, which adds a layer of environmental responsibility to the overall system. In everyday use, the Vertuo Plus is not about customization or manual control. It is about reliability, speed, and consistency. That also defines its limitations. If you prefer full control over grind size, pressure, or extraction, this system will feel restrictive. But for users who value convenience over complexity, that trade-off is often acceptable. Final verdict. The DeLonghi Nespresso Vertuo Plus stands out as a dependable single-serve coffee solution that prioritizes ease of use and consistency. It is best suited for users who want quality coffee without the learning curve of traditional espresso machines. While it is limited by its capsule ecosystem, the trade-off is a predictable, low-maintenance experience that fits well into fast-paced routines. If your priority is simplicity, speed, and consistent flavor every time, this machine fits naturally into that lifestyle. Take a moment to consider how much convenience matters in your daily coffee routine before making your decision.